How to fix Star Citizen error code 19005. 1. Check your internet connection. 2. Check the official Star Citizen status page at https://status.robertspaceindustries.com. 3. Other tips. Clear cache at C:. /program files /Roberts Space Industries /Star Citizen /live /user subfolder. Reset the host file back to the default in your Windows. Disable proxy. Disable firewall. Reset the RSI launcher. To do so, select One Day in the Trust This Device section in the two-step authentication window. Log out then back into the game. Uninstall and reinstall Star Citizen.